Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Amazon app on your Android device. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll find all the apps you need including Amazon. Once you are in the Play Store, tap on the search bar, type in Amazon and hit search. You should see the Amazon Shopping app as the top result. Now all you need to do is tap the install button next to the Amazon app. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you can either tap open right from the Play Store or you can go to your home screen and find the Amazon app icon right there. Now that the app is open, you can sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. And that's it. Now you have the Amazon app downloaded and ready to use on your Android phone. Shopping, streaming and more are just a tap away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit on that bell icon for more amazing videos.